She's first swimming experience. Look at there. She has on her swim gear. Exploring the table right now. You gonna show them how you know how to swim? Come on. Give me your hand. Hopefully we don't drop our camera phone, our Android, in the water. Okay, sit. Sit right there. Now show him you're kicking. Show him you're kicking. Give me your hand. Go ahead, do your kicking. No, don't come down. See, she's a little too excited. Sit right there. Come on, we're going to practice showing my kicking. All right. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. See, we're learning the basics of swimming. Princess K and I. She's a natural born swimmer already. Already. Jeez. Sit up. Has on her flotation gear so she'll float. For her brother's flotation gear. And we're out.